What's happening, LOB gang? Having a little small issue with my lights, but Midnight Customs, as you can see, they installed them. They taking care of it or whatnot. So right now we're trying to troubleshoot and see what the problem is. As soon as we find out, we're gonna have this thing back bling blinging. So stay tuned. For any custom work you need done to your car, airlift suspension, underglows, all that good stuff. Nate, you want to give a breakdown of what all y'all do here in shop?
Yeah, everything like interior, suspension, wheels, tires, anything bolt-on.
Y'all do powder coating and stuff as well too, right? And I think y'all's big thing is the Rolls Royce ceilings, right?
Yeah, we just a ton of Starlight heads on.
Okay. Yeah. So Midnight Customs on IG, right?
Yeah.
Midnight Okay. Check them out on IG. I know they got some good prices on all custom work. So yeah, I mean, they the ones who hooked up Black Cat. You know, I don't trust too many people to touch my car, but I trust these guys 100%. So hit them up. They also do brake caliper painting too. So as you can see, they doing the calipers on this truck. Paint match. And they also, like I said, they powder coat wheels. They powder coated these wheels for the truck as well. Got them boys looking pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Looks like they finna install some air suspension for somebody. Might finna put it on this truck. You never know. Be tight with it. Nice little setup they got over here at Midnight Customs. It's over in Louisville too, you know. Look how low they got this baby sitting. Man with the plan of the hour. So what's up, man?
What's up? LOW, you know, like the way today, lifestyle furniture, if you need turn post notifications on, and
That's right. LOW gang and LOB gang. Life of West, Life of Black Cat. Great minds think alike. So I'm gonna let y'all know, after we get done with this, the cat is going to have some performance mods done to it, so she's gonna be gone for like another week or two.
can't say much now.
Can't say too much. Check out that other video I posted a few days ago if you want an insight on what's going down. But yeah, when she come back, she's gonna be ready for the track. Think about that, LOB.
Bro, for the track, we feel like everybody there. You know, everybody calling this out, so might as well want to slow them down, right?
Right. I ain't trying to be the fastest, but it's gonna be fast.
And we not trying to be cocky either, you know what I mean? We just want to call us out, we gonna go. We lose, we gonna post it regardless.
Right.
We're not like all these other people, so we gonna keep it a G.
So for all the call outs, Black Cat 707 is gonna be ready for your ass. Believe that.
By next week.
If you ain't running 950 or 1,000, don't even pull up. Just go ahead and tell you. Don't even pull up.
What about call out to the CTSV? I'm trying to see, you know, what's going down on that one, because you know them mother's quick. You can do anything to that car. So,
I don't know. I know a CTSV that's spanking some ass out here.
That's where
I'm talking about. I don't think Black Cat gonna be able to hang with that boy, man. I ain't even gonna flex. That's like an extra 2 bands if I want to get it up like that.
He probably got everything good on it too.
Yeah, he got a roll cage and everything in that boy. Yeah, it's quick. Yep. Stay tuned.
If y'all haven't already, go ahead and check the last video out that we posted last night. It's funny. It's real funny. So if you want some laughs and you having a bad day, go ahead and watch that video. You know, we try to make people happy. We try to make people smile, especially this man right here. So I don't know why he did that, because he always talking about he to make somebody smile. You know,
I try to, but I can't make everybody smile, you know. Some people don't like me, but oh well. Jesus had haters, you know, and I ain't no better than him. So I'm gonna leave it at that.
jealousy is the devil talking.
There it is. The worst sin of it all, jealousy. Don't forget, Cain killed Abel. All right, look like they got the lights fixed, y'all. Take a gander at it. So I think we got a solution to what the problem is. It's actually one of the wires. We got Nate up under the car taking care of it right now. All blue now. You want me to change the colors, Nate? So it'll be good to go. All that good stuff, so make it faster.
Like it needs that.
Yeah.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Okay, we're just back there.
What up, LOB gang? It's your boy Black Cat back with another one. So earlier today, we made a stop by Midnight Customs. We had to get some lights done, or actually get some lights repaired, you know what I'm saying, because my underglows was tripping or whatnot. So we got that fixed, and just a few hours later, you see where I'm at. Mopars of North Texas. Finna get these performance mods done to this boy. Pulley upgrade. I ain't gonna say no more. Just stay tuned. So I told y'all I pulled up the Mopars of North Texas, you know what I'm saying? But look who showed up. Boy, I got one of the sickest scat packs in DFW. Let me go around this boy so y'all can see it. Ferradas, you know what I'm saying? Custom badge. What all you done to it, man? You gonna come tell the LOB gang? I told y'all, man. You see that stamp right there, man? You see that stamp right there? You know what time it is, man. That S1 gang. We just not playing out here. There it is again for you. You know Black Cat got one too. See it? S1 gang. Mopars of North Texas. You should have slammed it down right beside me, man. All right, go.